gosh, I'm gonna look like a rodent next to something. Maybe I should. Okay.
Hey guys, it's 2OK. Minus the K. I'm Jacinta.
Mary.
And today we are doing an iPhone XS Max Gold 256 gig unboxing. FYI, it is open already. I didn't open it. The Apple dude opened it because he put the screen protector on.
Safety first.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
When he offered it for free, I was like, huh, yeah, boy, you put it on. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. So this is the iPhone XS Gold Max 256 gig. So as you already know, it has been open and the screen protector's on, but I haven't touched it, so it's new to me too. So you open it, and then you get this. It's kind of different, eh? You have
Lower it, dude.
the instructions, I think. I'm guessing they're the instructions. You have the pin that opens your SIM card thing.
Hey, you can see my hands.
You have whatever this is.
A sticker? What does it look
No,
like?
no, this. I don't
Oh.
know what this is. And then you have the stickers, the generic ones.
Can we speed this
Is
up?
generic right? I don't know.
Kidding.
So this is the iPhone. Oh, I'm bad. Look at that.
Ooh,
It already has fingerprints on it because the Apple dude touched it. But like, isn't it gorgeous?
Wait, you can't really see the
Yeah.
color. What color is that?
It's gold.
Oh, okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the sides
I thought it was rose gold.
are like,
That's so cute.
so that's that. Also,
Hey,
the
keep
screen,
it in the shot.
Yeah, and then the screen protector's on. He's done a very fine job. Actually, it was a machine. It was fancy. Yeah, so that's the phone. And then in here you have the power block.
Obviously.
Yeah, you pull out, normal. The earphones. I haven't had earphones like this for like 5 years. Actually, it was probably less than that. And then you have the charger cord, and I think that's it. This is a OtterBox case. I got I think it was magenta.
What is that?
The color, no, the color's magenta. So
Oh.
it's an OtterBox Statement Series case. It's got velvet here. It's like a nice color.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Chuck it on.
So let's just slide that in.
Oh no. What the hell? Oh, I think that was my hand. Okay. Oh well. Tough one.
I don't know how people do this.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I got this.
Senna, you're moving out of shot.
Sorry. There we go. And bam, bam. Go around the edges. Oh, I turned it on.
Oh, it looks so cute.
Why is it so hard to get on? I feel like they're kind of stitching me up. Oh, there we go.
Flip it the other
So
side.
it's
girl.
on. Oh,
That's
my,
kind of horrid.
my hands are sweaty. Yeah,
Kidding.
I'm not. I wasn't sure about it,
Don't.
but I feel like it's not bad. This one I got from Typo. It's kind of like a pop socket, but it's like one of those ring things. I reckon it's really cute. You see, it's kind of like marble-ish. I'm not sure where I want it though. Like, do I want it there? I don't know.
Girl, down more.
Down.
No, the phone down more.
Oh, the phone down.
My hand's hurting.
So you
And I keep
pull it
blocking.
back. Should I wipe it first?
No.
Yes, I will.
Okay.
Okay. I'm kind of destroying the case already, but that's fine. And then, bam.
Is it angled?
Yeah.
You're an idiot.
There we go. Bam. And it is on. There we go.
What?
I suck at it. It's not even center.
It's okay. They move. Just
Okay.
calm down, Senna.
So that is it. So far it's so cute. This is really cute.
Move it further down. Yeah.
So this is the front, the Max. It's a nice gold. The phone was $2,049 Australian. This was $9 from Typo. And the case was $60 from Apple, and then the screen protector was $50 from Apple, and they apply it
What
for
the
you.
heck? That's so expensive.
So it's all good. So cute. I can't wait to use it. So this was not the most professional unboxing ever, and to get good lighting we did use a lamp. But hopefully you enjoyed it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
That's all we have to say.
See you later.
Bye.
Am I even in it?
Yeah.
Do I look fat?